Hi, I'm Paul Morrison from Isoacoustics, and we're here at the Hong Kong AV show, the 20th anniversary. And what we're showing in our room is we've got our Gaia isolators, and we're doing an AB demonstration. We've got two pairs of identical speakers. The one pair has our Gaia 1s installed on the bottom. The other pair has the manufacturer included spikes, and we're just ABing back and forth so you can hear the difference that the Gaias make. So what people hear is you hear that soundstage open way up, it becomes wider, becomes more three-dimensional, and you get more clarity and focus as well. So Isoacoustics is a Canadian company. We started off in the pro audio sector back in 2012, and we've done very well. And we started to move into the hi-fi space in 2016. And we're happy to report now that we've got a number of speaker manufacturers and equipment manufacturers that are actually integrating our products into theirs. And it really gives us that credibility in the marketplace to show that what we've got is something that really works. So we invite you to come and hear our AB demo at the Hong Kong show. And for more information, please check out our website at www.isoacoustics.com. Thank you.